Ipinakilala ng OnePlus ang bago nilang sub-flagship smartphone ngayong 2024. At ito ang OnePlus Ace 3. Kung gusto nyo malaman ng price nito, make sure na panoorin nyo ang buong video. Sa ngayon, pag-usapan muna natin ang specs and features niya. Meron itong 6.78-inch LTPO AMOLED display with 1264 by 2780 pixel resolution. May 120Hz refresh rate with HDR10+ and Dolby Vision. At meron siyang 4,500 nits peak of brightness with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 screen protection. Ang OnePlus Ace 3 ay may operating system na ColorOS 14 based on Android 14 with Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 4nm chipset na may Adreno 740 na GPU. Ang smartphone na to ay may 12 or 16GB of RAM with 256, 512GB or 1TB UFS 4.0 internal storage at ito ay non-expandable. Ang OnePlus Ace 3 ay may triple rear camera setup with 50MP main camera with OIS plus 8MP ultra-wide camera plus 2MP macro camera with LED flash HDR and panorama at kaya mag-record ng video up to 4K at 60fps. Sa kanya namang selfie camera, meron siyang 16MP wide camera with HDR at may 1080p at 30fps video recording. Dito naman sa kanyang battery, meron siyang 5,500 mAh battery capacity with 100W Super VOOC fast charging. At ayon kay OnePlus, kaya nito mag-charge from 1 to 100% in 27 minutes. Para naman sa security ng phone na to, meron siyang under-display fingerprint scanner at face unlock. At ito ay may dual stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos. Sa dimensions, meron siyang 163.3 by 75.3 by 8.8mm at may timbang na 207 grams. Dito naman sa build quality niya, meron siyang glass front, glass back and aluminum frame. At ito ay may dual SIM. Sa connectivity, meron siyang 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, QZSS, BDS, NFC, IR Blaster, and USB Type-C. Ngayon, pag-usapan na natin ang kanyang price. Ang estimated price ng OnePlus Ace 3 ay around 20,300 pesos. Ito ay price conversion lamang at pwede pa ito magbago kung sakali magiging available ito sa Philippines. Guys, ano masasabi nyo about sa OnePlus Ace 3? Please comment down below. At kung nagustuhan nyo ang video ito, huwag nyo kalimutan mag-subscribe, like at i-click ang notification bell. Maraming salamat! Peace!